In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide text and other stuff from view in PowerPoint. This is a really helpful feature when you want to simplify your slideshow, skip certain information during a presentation, or keep extra slides available for later use. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the content you want to hide. You can browse through your slides using the panel on the left side of the screen. To temporarily hide an entire slide, simply right-click on the slide thumbnail. A menu will appear with several options. From that list, click on Hide Slide. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint marks the slide as hidden. You'll usually notice the slide number appears faded or crossed out in the slide panel. The hidden slide will still remain in your presentation, but it won't appear when you run the slideshow. This is perfect for situations where you may want to keep backup information, optional content, or extra explanations without showing them to every audience. If you later decide to show the slide again, just right-click the hidden slide and click Hide Slide once more to remove the hidden status. You can also hide specific text or objects by selecting them and adjusting their visibility using animations or the Selection Pane, depending on how much control you need during the presentation. Using hidden slides and hidden content can help make your presentations cleaner, more flexible, and easier to manage during live meetings or classes. And that's it. You now know how to hide text and other content from view in PowerPoint. And that's how you can keep your PowerPoint presentations organized and focused without deleting important information. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.